Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XDC from Kraken to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens smoothly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to stay safe. First off, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need verified accounts on both Kraken and Coinbase, with XDC tokens in your Kraken wallet. Also, confirm that you're using the correct network. XDC typically operates on the XDC network, so select that to avoid any issues. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the Withdraw section. Find XDC in the list of assets and click on it. Step 2. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees, which might have changed by 2025, so check Kraken's current rates. Next, Step 3. Head over to your Coinbase account. Go to your XDC wallet, copy the receiving address, and make sure it's for the XDC network. Don't mix it up with other blockchains. Step 4. Back on Kraken, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That's a common mistake that could lead to permanent loss. Step 5. Review all the details, including the amount and network, then confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to complete any two-factor authentication for security. Once submitted, the transfer will be processed on the blockchain. Finally, sit tight and monitor your Coinbase account. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, but in 2025, with potential network upgrades, it might be even faster. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and any platform-specific updates to ensure a seamless experience. There you have it. That's how to transfer XDC from Kraken to Coinbase in 2025. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Stay secure out there, and we'll see you in the next video.